When's your mom getting fake tits?
I made a bad choice here tonight. We're gonna see how it goes. We got everybody, yeah. They're gonna watch. They're gonna watch.
Yeah.
And then we gotta do both.
Hurry up.
Justin's thumb.
There's one on the floor.
So this is the challenge. Do you dare to go head to head with the Reaper? Rolls, eat the entire chip. Wait as long as possible before drinking anything. And so that's number 2, or eating anything. And number 3 is post your reaction on social media.
Paqui chip with the bomb sauce is new.
Quit hating. Appreciate it.
Nah, I'm gonna hate.
So they say like not to touch it or whatever.
Are you gonna tell people what you're doing?
Put it in your eye.
Hey guys, this is Thomas Miata, and I'm gonna eat a Paqui chip. And apparently no one's ever done this before.
Ever. In the history of people.
You gotta chew it for like 30 seconds.
No, I'm gonna eat it as fast as I can. I'm trying to just scoot it out of the package like a little, like a Pop-Tart.
Be a man.
Wait, it says don't touch your face, right?
Yeah, definitely don't.
At the moment. Let me
Oh
do
my
this.
god, is that the chip?
Why is it so dark?
Jesus. It looks like jerky.
What did it do in a previous life to deserve this? The dog just busted ass.
Even Moose knows it's a bad idea.
I just don't want to touch it because then it says wash your hands, but I don't want to have to do that.
Just pick up the chip and eat it.
I anticipate pure pain here.
Now rub some in your eye. Be a man.
I feel like a Dorito.
You did.
These are cream cheese.
Oh my god, why is it taking this long?
It's a big chip. I don't want to chew it anymore. It's starting to get hotter.
Scale 1 to 10, where are you at right now?
Say green.
It's already at like a 5. And it's only just begun, I'm sure. Woo!
Alright, eat the second one. No one's done 2. I haven't seen anyone eat 2. What do you have to do tomorrow? Nothing.
Give me hiccups.
Is there a single tear rolling from his eye?
Oh yeah.
Second Paqui chip.
What's up?
You're backlit.
Oh, it's got me.
Second Paqui chip.
He doesn't have a second thought.
Second Paqui chip.
Tears.
You have to go to Johnny.
How long has it been?
Like
Seconds?
30 seconds.
Oh, I see tears there.
Yeah.
I can see them now.
it's
Is
glistening.
So what kind of
it
heat
worse
is
than the brew at the zoo?
Oh, he's crying! He's crying!
It's hot.
It's very hot. Tomorrow's gonna be worse.
Tell us about Bitcoin.
The bomb sauce
Yeah.
you put on your fajita that you had.
Right now, that part's hot, but tomorrow,
Bitcoin.
that part's gonna be hot.
So my lips are starting to get numb.
That's good, then you won't feel it anymore. You know what would help? A small sip of the bomb.
I'm sure there's plenty of people that have gone the whole time.
Do they give you a time limit or is it just as long as you can?
As long as you can go, it says.
You need 10 minutes under your belt and you're at 2, so.
He's not even a 2, don't give him hope.
This light fixture's hot? Why are you crying?
Is my face red?
Really? I'm just crying. It just looked like you got some bad news.
You know, like hiccups make you sad. I hate hiccups.
It's okay, but you don't have to cry about it. God. You know what's worse
Have you
than
seen that
eating
show Hot
Paqui
Wings?
chip?
What's worse?
Hot ones?
Seeing your
Hot ones?
face twice right now.
It's too many faces.
Yeah, I gotta see you right there and then in the camera as well.
Oh man, when it's starting to run, it's getting bad.
Good, good, good.
Tissues right here.
Huh?
You got a issue?
Grab that tissue.
Maybe.
That's a Kleenex, Brittany. Jesus.
It's actually a Puffs with plus lotion. We're not paupers here, Justin.
Did you just fart?
It was not me.
Oh no, low battery. Some of your battery's dying. It can't handle the heat.
You.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's not. It doesn't seem to be getting any worse right now.
All right, I'm gonna stop recording. Last thoughts. What number are we at now?
Probably like a 6 or 7, maybe.
I feel like I've seen you cry worse.
Yeah,
We're at the zoo.
yeah. That was
Cried
that
worse.
was a couple million Scoville on that one.
Couple milli scoops.
These are boys.
This was just a little
I ate
stocking
4 Paqui
stuffer.
chips before I ate breakfast this morning.
Before you came over.
Yeah.
And then your insides exploded.
Oh no, I went to the hospital, but that's not the
Keep
point.
that one running the whole time because then I got the timer.
Oh yeah, the timer. Yeah.
What if my arms are tired?
Ask me a question. Trivia. Do you like hot ones?
Is it hot?
It's hot.
Okay. Good.
It's very hot.
That's good.
My mouth is tingling. It's so hot.
Yeah.
Which country has more coastline? The most coastline in the world? Russia, Canada, Brazil, or Australia?
She's making those up. Those are real places.
Canada.
Yes.
Bing, 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 bing.
Good job. You win hot ones. Now take a final dab.
That's what you should have done.
I did a dab right before I did
No,
this.
no. Right afterwards. Get up your game.
Wipe your tongue off with those Clorox wipes.
That cures COVID.
You know, I bet if I drank something, it would actually be much worse.
Not if you drink
No,
milk.
something sweet. Got
Oh,
fruit
you know
punch
what?
in the fridge.
Horchata would be really good right now.
God, you're such a whore for horchata.
What a fucking hipster.
Little cinnamon milk bitch.
Yeah,
I don't feel anything.
it's dying down.
Really already?
Yeah, it's not that. I mean, I guess still got the hiccups, and it still burns like shit, but it's like a 5 now. I've never had my lips feel this numb though.
Careful not to suck them in. Hold your tongue. Just swallow it. Jesus.
That one got me when I was breathing in really fast.
That's what the hiccup was. It was breathing in really fast. That's essentially what a hiccup is.
No, it's not. It's a muscle spasm in the bottom of your lungs.
Yeah, what does it cause you to do?
Hiccup.
Breathe in really fast.
Is it in or out? Because that one, you ever hiccuped out?
No! You're worried about a Paqui chip challenge. We should be talking about the fact that you're an alien. Breathe out.
Jeez.
Like a dog reverse sneezing.